Hi, this is George Kao, and this is a short video showing you how to create a Google Plus Hangout. And first step is to go to plus.google.com. I've already gone there, but just you would type that into your URL bar, plus.google.com, and then make sure you are signed in to your Google Plus account. This you can see from here that I'm already signed in. You're going to obviously see different things here. You'll see different things here, but you'll see yourself signed in if you see your name here on the top. And then the second step is to click on Hangouts here on the upper right. Third step is to click on New Hangout, and I'm just gonna do Hangout. Just gonna create a fake Hangout with the last two people I was talking with on Hangout. But I'm gonna click this plus, or just click where this new Hangout is. Click on it and start typing. I'm gonna type in Tomar, and then I'm just gonna click on her. So basically, when you start typing in a name, right? I just typed in Tomar. Google Plus is going to suggest people on who are also Google Plus users with that kind of a name, and it's going to put the people that you've added to a circle at the top. So that's because Google expects you to be choosing them instead. So I'm going to click on Tomar here. Whoops. Sorry about that. Tomar. You click the checkbox. Don't click. If you click only on the person, then you start a private hangout only with that person. But if you click on a checkbox, you're adding them to a hangout with multiple people. So say Tad, click on the checkbox. And so let's say I'm just doing a hangout with these two people. If I want to do a video hangout or a audio hangout, you click on this one. If you do an audio hangout, it means you click on the video call, and then you block your. There's an icon to mute your video. But this is a text hangout. A text hangout means if I click on this, then I can chat with the two of them. So I hope that's helpful, and I'm not clicking on any of these right now because I don't want to alert either of them right now. But this is what you do. It's very simple. And besides that, you might want to check out. Don't worry about the Hangout party. That's you're kind of waiting for people to join you, but this is actually alerting them to, once you click on one of these two buttons, you're alerting them to that you're trying to start a Hangout chat or a call with them. Okay, hope this helps. You can post below. I always appreciate your likes and shares, or if you have any questions, you can post them below. Whether I might be able to answer or someone else who's viewing the video might be able to answer as well. Okay, thanks. Have a great day.